Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell scheduled tasks. In this video, we'll explore Get-ScheduledTask, a powerful Cmdlet that allows you to view and retrieve information about scheduled tasks on your Windows system. This is an essential tool for system administrators and anyone who needs to manage automated tasks on their computer. Let's dive in and learn how to use this Cmdlet effectively. Get-ScheduledTask is a PowerShell Cmdlet that retrieves information about scheduled tasks registered on the local or remote computer. Think of it as a window into all the automated tasks that are configured to run on your system. Whether you need to check what tasks are scheduled, verify their status, or gather information for troubleshooting, this Cmdlet provides you with all the details you need in a structured format. The basic syntax is straightforward. Simply type Get-ScheduledTask and press Enter. When you run this command without any parameters, PowerShell will retrieve all scheduled tasks that are registered on your system. This gives you a complete overview of every task, from system tasks created by Windows to custom tasks that you or other administrators have created. It's the quickest way to see everything that's scheduled to run. While running Get-ScheduledTask without parameters is useful, you'll often want to filter the results. Two common parameters help you narrow down your search. The -TaskName parameter lets you filter by a specific task name, which is helpful when you're looking for a particular task. The -TaskPath parameter allows you to filter tasks by their folder path, perfect for viewing tasks organized in specific folders within the Task Scheduler library. Let's look at a practical example. If you want to retrieve information about a specific task, use the -TaskName parameter. For instance, Get-ScheduledTask-TaskName in quotes Windows Update will retrieve only the task named Windows Update. This focused approach is much more efficient than scrolling through hundreds of tasks. You get exactly what you're looking for in seconds. You can also filter tasks by their location in the Task Scheduler folder structure. Using Get-ScheduledTask-TaskPath in quotes /Microsoft/Windows/ will retrieve all tasks stored in the Microsoft Windows folder. This is particularly useful when you want to examine all tasks created by Microsoft or tasks organized in a specific folder, helping you manage and audit tasks more effectively. When you run Get-ScheduledTask, it returns several important properties for each task. TaskName shows the name of the task. TaskPath indicates the folder location where the task is stored. State tells you the current status of the task, such as whether it's ready, running, or disabled. Actions contains information about what operations the task performs when it executes. Understanding these properties helps you interpret the output and gather the information you need. You've now learned the basics of Get-ScheduledTask, including how to retrieve all tasks, filter by name and path, and understand the key properties returned. In upcoming videos, we'll continue exploring task properties in more detail and dive into advanced filtering techniques that will help you become even more proficient at managing scheduled tasks with PowerShell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.